animals and humans have been interdependent on each other. In earlier times, we used animals for traveling. We used them for food and for agricultural purposes. Animals have been a constant companion for humans. This ecosystem consists of all the organisms in the nature, including the wildlife and humans who have been connected to each other since the beginning to eternity. But humans have forgotten the importance of animals and the nature. According to WWF, illegal wildlife trade is the fifth most profitable illicit trade in the world, estimated at up to $10 billion annually, ranking behind drug and weapons trafficking.
Why are animals being killed? We have some common animals that are in the list of poaching. For what purpose they are killed and why their body parts are so expensive. Number 1. Elephants. Tooth and tusk ivory can be carved into a vast variety of shapes and objects. Examples of modern carved ivory objects are okimono, netsukes, jewelry, flatware handles, furniture inlays, and piano keys. Ivory is expensive mainly because its supply is very limited, coming from elephant tusks only, and secondly because its value is immaterial due to its carving qualities and its status as rare luxury goods. Number 2. Tigers. Poaching is one of the most immediate threats to wild tigers. In relentless demand, their parts are used for traditional medicine, folk remedies, and increasingly as a status symbol among some Asian cultures. Tigers are also illegally killed or poached because their pelts are valuable on the black market. Number 3. Rhino. Rhino horn is used in traditional Chinese medicine, but increasingly common is its use as a status symbol to display success and wealth. Poaching is now a threat in all rhino range states. However, as South Africa is home to the majority of rhinos in the world, it is being heavily targeted.
But we cannot completely deny that, despite of all the greed, time has taught us to care and made us aware about the importance of animals in the ecosystem. Animals are now being protected worldwide. Assam itself has 5 national parks and 19 wildlife sanctuaries. There are 3 tiger reserves, namely Kaziranga, Manas and Nameri. We have also seen a decline in tiger poaching in the last few years. From 2001 to 2016, a huge numbers of rhinos were killed in Assam. In recent times, we can see a lot more reduction in numbers from being only 1 rhino killed in 2020. However, a lot remains in our hand to do for protecting the wildlife. From one area, we can spread that to the whole world.
Simply following some small steps can lead us to a big change in the future. The tagua tree produces nuts that can be carved into items that look a lot like ivory and can be used as a substitute. We can choose sustainable, eco-friendly pets. Many animals are taken in huge numbers and sold in pet shops, which can be quite harmful for the environment. Some websites like Eco Health Alliance have a data of pets which are healthy for human, animals and the ecosystem. We can stick to certified products. Products with a Forest Stewardship Council seal ensure several things: that all trees cut down are replaced or allowed to regrow naturally, that parts of the forest of origin are left untouched, and that the rights of indigenous people in the area are respected and local workers are employed with a decent salary. We can stand with organizations that work against poaching and wildlife trafficking. Also, we can report any kind of illegal wildlife trade. Strengthen policy, legislative and regulatory frameworks, enhance knowledge and skills to investigate and prosecute related criminal activities, increase awareness regarding the nature and scale of wildlife and forest crimes, and enhance cooperation on a bilateral and regional level. Our little steps make a huge difference. Raise your eyes and see how blessed we are to live in this beautiful world. Our chance to change is today. Do not let it go. Make it count for us, for the wildlife, for the planet.